This is REALME GT2, and today I would like to figure out what is the maximum camera zoom this phone has to offer. So without further ado, let me enter the regular photo mode and zoom into something. Just zoom my viewfinder until I cannot no more. So apparently, as you can see, the furthest or the farthest I can zoom into something is 20-fold on this device, or to put it in other words, the maximum zoom value is 20x, and well, gross. As you can see, the zoom quality is also very decent. It does not get all blurry, it does not provide me with the soap of an image. I zoom into this very tiny logo we have, and it provides me with a very decent level of quality, if you ask me. So that's a very good thing to consider when taking some macro photography or simply zooming into object far away. You will still get a decent quality of, a decent of a picture. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.